as you can see, I'm just twisting my hair down because I do not know how to braid. So if you are afraid of doing your own quick weave at home because you simply don't know how to braid, if you're not, you can still get a seamless wig cap and just put sealant on top of it and still get that same effect, even though you're not able to braid your hair down completely flat. And I will show you the technique that I'm still able to get a really seamless look without even having to braid my hair. So now that I have all of my hair blown dry and I've pretty much mapped out the pieces, so if you were to be using pack hair or bundles, you would pretty much just take the hair and bring it up towards the back of your head and measure from about the back of one side of the back of your neck to the next side of the back of your neck, and that is the perfect piece to go towards the back of the head. So now that I have that measured, I'm just going to take some glue. This is the glue that I like to use. It is the Super Hair Bond glue. It is the perfect glue. It's not too fast drying to where like I feel like I can't keep up, but at the same time it dries pretty quickly. So I'm just going to apply my glue to my track. And so you're going to take it like so, and I'm just going to press it. Make sure it's centered and press. And now the track is glued to my cap. And then you just take your hair dryer and you blow it dry. Now that it's dry, we're going to move on to the next piece. So I've got another piece of hair. Take my glue, apply it, and you're just going to repeat this over and over and over again. And actually, I'm being a bad example. When you're doing your hair, you want to make sure you have your section that is your leave out kind of twisted or braided off to the side so that you make sure you don't get any product in it, meaning like glue. So I'm just gonna twist it. I don't know how to braid to the scalp, so even the hair that's up under this cap is flat twist because I don't know how to braid. Don't laugh at me, y'all. One of these days I'm gonna learn, but today is not that day. The day that I can do a quick weave and wash it and it still be intact is the day y'all gonna hate me. It really is. It's the day y'all really gonna hate me because I will have a quick weave in for forever, because I like glueless quick weaves much better on my hair because it's very fine and thin, and I just find that when I have too much going on, it's too fragile for that. My hair was like coming out. This hair is so soft, y'all. Like, I put my little leave-in conditioner and stuff in it, and it feels really good. I'm going to take this other hair that I've already measured off, or the girl who did my hair before measured off. It's just like this. Now, these were bundles. This is not pack hair. As you can see, the hair is kind of doing itself. Like, we have all this. I'll show you the back. Just do a little rotation. So don't be afraid if the hair doesn't go all the way around. Like mine isn't going all the way around, but I have other pieces that I can just simply cut to go where I need it to. So this one stops right about, where does it stop? Here. So I'm just going to take this one, take it there, and bring it around. Now the trick is to make sure that you don't put a track on top of a braid. Like if you know that you're going to have to cut something, you're going to have to layer 2 different tracks on top of each other or something like that, make sure you don't stop the track on top of a braid, because then it'll be like lumpy. So just feel in between, and where you feel that there's the part, that's where you're going to stop it and sit it inside of. And that's just a little trick that I have, you feel me? I like to do my braids just straight back. I know you guys didn't really get to see me building the foundation, but the foundation is really shaky. Okay, it's just good enough to be able to do what I needed to do, but I would honestly not want to be the person that y'all go to as far as like trying to figure out how to like set up your foundation, because my foundation is horrible. I don't know how to braid, so it's just kind of like as good as I could get it. But as you guys can see, the Quickweave is doing what it needs to do. Hopefully, prayerfully, fingers crossed, a company reaches out to me and wants me to be their brand ambassador for their hair. Cause y'all, I'm tired. Ain't even, I am through with doing my own hair. So this is such an easy process. Just continue gluing down the tracks, and this is such an easy and like cheap alternative for college students, because all you have to do is buy this hair glue, which is like $4. You buy the sealant, which is like $5, and then you buy 2 wig cap. Well, like the wig cap comes with 2. The wig cap pack comes with 2, so that makes your life even easier. And then you just, you know, apply the hair. And you guys see I'm 17 minutes in and I'm already halfway through with my head. That's why it's called quick, because it truly is quick. That's why I love me a good Quickweave. And it literally costs under like $40 just for the material, for like you to install it yourself, in comparison to like a $200 install of a wig. And then as far as hair is concerned, every hair store is different, and depending on how long you want to keep it in your head. I know there's synthetic packs of hair that are like $25, but there's also pack hair, which can be like $80. And the only reason I know that is because back in high school I used to get bobs, and I also used to get like middle part quick weaves, and I know I kept my middle part quick weave in for like 3 months one time, and my hair grew so much. But as you guys can see, this is what it's looking like. This is what she's giving so far, and it's already looking full, and like I'm not even done. Still got a whole head. This is like a great alternative for all of my college babes, because we're broke out here. I don't know about y'all, but at least I'm broke. I can only speak for myself, but I'm broke. And it's not even like we're broke per se. We just don't have the expendable funds or the disposable funds to be spending $300-400 on an install. You want to make sure it's as flat as possible. So like I said, when you're laying it down, make sure you're going in between 2 braids when you're placing it. And like this is flat over here. And I haven't even styled it yet, and it's already giving. This is the natural wave pattern of the hair. It's not even like blown all the way dry or anything like that. Ooh, I could do like a fun braid over. There's so many different things I can do now that I have a side part instead of just the flip over. I'm excited, but we gotta keep going. It's only been 20 minutes and we're already halfway. Coming along. It definitely is coming along. It's cute and it's giving fall. It's definitely a fall look.
Roll smooth with a bang. 30 hertz straight up.
Yeah, this looks so pretty. This is so chill. Like, look at it. It's only been 28 minutes. So now I'm up towards the very top of my head. We are pretty much almost done. Like, cut to frame my face right here. So I'm gonna blow dry them out, and I'm using a technique. I'm laying the hair on my leg and I'm just keeping the I'm keeping the dryer on my leg, and I'm taking the hair and raking it through. So now that we have all of our hair installed, this took a matter of like 40 minutes. This is the hair. It's pretty long. I would like for mine to be parted right here. I'm just gonna part it right there. So then we will just kind of like curl and style the hair to our liking. So
Roll smooth with a bang. 30 hertz straight up.
So this is the finished look. I'm gonna bring it around for you guys to see. You have the side part. I'm not going to curl it tonight just because I have somewhere to be tomorrow and I want to make sure my curls are super fresh. But I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial on how to do your own quick weave. I pretty much just straightened everything really simple and easy using the Kristen S flat iron. The level 365 degrees was perfect for this. But this is the look. And the good thing about it is I can flip it over like this and kind of style my hair like that and bring this back so that it's like a flip over. I can also curl it. I can do so many different things with it. So I'm just so excited. I normally don't wear my hair in a side part, but I feel like this is super cute. It's very similar to the flip over, but it has more volume because there's more hair going back here. So if you want to try out this technique of trying to do your hair while you're in college and you're on a budget, feel free to do it. Make sure to tag me. And if you want more content like this, make sure to follow and like this video and comment a heart if you made it this far. This is the finished look. I really do love this. It's very effortless and pretty. If you want, you can add layers to your hair. I'm not going to add any layers to mine just because I do plan on reinstalling this and doing like a middle part. But this is the finished look. The hair is relatively long. I am 4'11", so this is 22 inches on me. It's about my mid-waist. This hair is from a local Columbus hairstylist. I got a sew-in installed like last October, and this is the hair, and then I got a Quickweave installed. So this is the hairs. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like this video and to comment for more content like this. I love doing tutorials and stuff like this for you guys, so just let me know, and when I do finally style this, I'll make sure to post so you guys can see. I love you. Bye.